Hey loves, hope you're all well and safe. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your micro twist braided wig. You need your tiny crochet needle, your Kanekalon braiding hair. Then you take some hair according to your size. For the micro twist, you have to make it tiny. Then use your hook and pull the hair through the net. Then set your needle aside and then start twisting. If you don't know how to twist, all you need to do is to roll the attachment with your 2 fingers and pass it to the other hand. Roll it again and pass it to the other hand. With that, your twist is achieved. Lest I forget, I used color 33 to make this hair, and then I had to cut the attachment into 5 parts for the back area and then 4 for the middle and the front part of the hair, because I wanted my own to be light and not heavy. So I kind of used just 1 pack of hair with 1/4 of the Darling Superstar Kanekalon braiding hair. Keep braiding until you feel in your cap. This hair requires patience, It's not easy to braid micro twist, not normal braid. This one is like tiny micro twist. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell below so as to know when I upload new videos. Then you need your scissors so you can trim off excess hair, to make the braids neat. The twist neat, sorry. Use your scissors to trim off those parts. Because the cap came with monoless, it made my work easy. I didn't have to look for Swiss-less, to kind of create my closure. So I used the monoless. I had to ventilate it with hair. For me, I made the hair short so that it will not be difficult for me to braid. Just like when you have short hair, it's easier to braid short hair than long hair. And let me not really call it short hair. Hair that has like 6 inches or about 5 inches in length. It's easier to braid such kind of hair than to braid hair that is up to 10 inches, 12 inches. Guys, I got tired of ventilating. I had to enter the kitchen. I made African salad, also known as abacha, with utazi leaf from my garden. Let me say our garden. Then I bought babes. Mom must eat. I used my crochet needle. It served as a ruler for me to create my center parting, because this is center parted braided wig. So I went ahead to ventilate the hair. I kept on ventilating. You have to do it neatly and you have to be very careful, because if you don't fill in the lace well, you have some parts that will look as though they were, as if something ate the hair or something. Even when you want to braid, it will make your work very difficult. So you have to kind of fill in the cap, like pick like 4 strands. You fill the lace, fill it up properly, so that you not have the part that will look like rat or cockroach or something ate your hair. That's to achieve that neat and beautiful look. Keep ventilating. This part is not easy at all. Guys, if you want detailed tutorial of how to ventilate your hair, I'll drop the link below so that you can watch and take your time and learn how to ventilate hair. And I use a single knot system when I was doing this. I used that single knot method to ventilate the monoless. I got tired of ventilating the hair. I started braiding the ones that are ventilated already so that I can divert my attention or kind of release the stress from my body. I get bored easily doing one thing at a time, so that's the only way I can get encouraged to to keep doing this, to keep braiding the hair. Use a scissors, trim the rough parts. Thank God I was able to finish the ventilation, so I'm braiding the right part of the hair because I finished braiding the left part, so I'm kind of braiding the right parts of the hair. That's how you get the finished that's how you get the center parting. You braid the left side or you braid the right part first before the left side. Guys, if there is any tutorial you're interested in or video you want me to make, please drop it on the comment section. Oblige me, I will gladly do so. This hair requires patience, a lot of it. If you're not careful, you want to quit on the way. Did I mention it took about 3 weeks for me to really achieve this? I already said 3 weeks and some days, just a little short of a month. I'll call it a month. Boil your hot water, pour on the wig carefully, very very careful, so you don't pour the water on yourself or hurt yourself. So you can see I'm struggling with my own, trying to make sure I pour the water evenly. Use your flat iron to get that tempered look or sharp look. Be very careful with your hot iron, because if it's very very hot, it will kind of destroy the Kanekalon hair. It's a Kanekalon hair, it's not a human hair, so you have to be very very careful so you don't kind of burn it up with the flat iron. Guys, this is what it looks like. This is what it really looks like. This is its finished look. I hope you like. You really like. Please, if you like, subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so as to know when I upload new videos and interesting videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.